Hello everyone, welcome back. This video is all about MS Excel shortcut keys. These are the most useful and most used MS Excel shortcut keys that every Excel user should know about these Excel shortcuts. If you would like to boost your productivity to work fast in MS Excel, you should know about these Excel shortcut keys. So let's start. Before starting, if you are new, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and also like the video and comment down. So let's start. First of all, I have just categorized them: basic, moving, selecting, formulas, formatting, and workbook. These shortcut keys. Let's move from the left side first of all to the basic shortcut keys. In the basic category, first of all, we have Control plus A. Control plus A is used to select a range or whole sheet or just a cell. For example, you have selected, the cursor is inside a cell, you want to select the whole text in that cell, press Control A, so it will select the whole cell. But if you would like to select a range, okay, for example this range, so for that Control plus A, it will select the whole range. But if you would like to select the whole sheet, select outside of the range, Control A, so it will select the whole sheet for you. This was the Control plus A. Let's come here to the second one, which is Control plus C. C mean copy, X mean cut. Copy means, for example, you want to copy the last cell, for example, the last row. Copy, this Control plus C. It will copy this. Let's select that. Control C. So what it will do, it will copy this row, whatever cell or range you selected. So it will copy that. For example, you want to paste that here. So just press the fourth one, which is Control plus V. Control V. So it will paste that you have copied. But if you would like to cut, okay, Control plus C means copy, but if you would like to use cut, it means, for example, again this row you would like to cut from this area and paste it somewhere else. So press Control X. After pressing Control X, this area has been cut for this. Okay, now press Control V, so it will be pasted here. Okay, that row has been cut from this area. Before that was Control C, just copied, but it cut from that area. So it is how we can use. Come here to the last option, Control plus Z. If you would like to undo that action that we have deleted now this cell, let's press Control plus Z. See, we have undo that action. Control D, delete it. Come here to the moving category. If you would like to, for example, select the to move to the range, okay, for example, you are in this range and you would like to move to the last cell of this range. So for that, Control plus down arrow key. Control plus down arrow key. It will move you to the last cell of the range that you have worked. Okay, but if you are outside of a range, for example, in a sheet, if you press now Control down, it will move you to the last cell of the sheet. See, we come here to the last cell of the sheet. Control up, back to the top area of the sheet. But if you are at the last cell of your range, by pressing Control plus up will move you to the top. Right, Control plus right key will move you to the right side. Down arrow key down side. Left arrow key to the left side. This was about the Control plus arrow keys that I have explained, 4 of them. Come here to the selecting, come Shift plus down arrow key. For example, you are here, you want to select the cells down. Okay, to coming down and select the cells. Shift plus down arrow key will select the cells. Okay, Shift plus down. If you want to select it to the right side, Shift plus right. It will select you like this. If you are in a cell, it will select like this. These were the Shift plus down and right arrow key. Even if you would like to use Shift left arrow key, Shift up arrow key, all of them you can use. But if you would like to use the third one, which is Control plus Shift plus down arrow key, it means that to select the data of a column, for example this column, you want to select the whole column. So Control Shift down arrow key. Control Shift down arrow key. So it will select the whole column for you. For example, you have selected here, Control Shift down arrow key. But if you want to select a row, selected, you want to select this row, for that Control plus Shift plus right arrow key. Control plus Shift plus right arrow key. It will select you the whole row. But if you are outside of the range, for example here, you want to select the whole row of the sheet, Control Shift right. It will select the whole, also the column like this. Now let's move to the formulas. For example, you want to find the sum of these cells. Okay, the sum of these cells. So the easy and the shortcut way is to use alt plus equal. It will just add the sum function. Add the sum function. Let's preset alt plus equal. See, alt plus equal. So it will just add the sum function. Press enter. This is the total of that we have found. So select this area now. For example, shift down, or we can select these. If you want to copy that formula to down to these two cells also, so for that we use control plus D. It will fill this area through above function also. It will copy that function. Look at the sum formula bar. You see the sum function in all these three cells. Let's move to the formatting. In the formatting, for example, select this area. Select the whole these numbers. You want to show the cells format dialog box. So press control plus 1. Control 1. It means control 1. Whenever I am saying plus, it means control and 1. Control then 1. So it will show us format cells dialog box. After that, for example, we want to apply currency and that, and we want to apply dollar sign. For example, just come here to the dollar. USDT and decimal point 0, like this. Okay, so we have USDT. Let's make it dollar sign, and let's increase the size like this. It will looks like this. This was control plus 1. Control plus B is used to bold. For example, you want to bold this, control plus B, bold it, B, unbold it. Control plus I, italic. Italic the text, again unitalic. And if you would like to apply border, for example, and this area want to apply the whole border, so for that, press first of all alt, then home to come here to the home. After that, B to come here to the border, then A to apply whole border on this, all border on this area. But if you would like to move a text to the center, for example, you want to move the cells to the center of this cell. So for that, alt, first of all press alt, then press H, then press A, after that C. So the cells has come to the in the center. And let's come here to the workbook. If you press Ctrl S, so it will save this workbook. If you press Ctrl plus O, it will open. You can open a new workbook. If you press Ctrl plus N, it will open a new workbook. Okay, Ctrl plus N, a new workbook. But if you would like to close this, press Ctrl W. So it will close that. The new workbook has been closed. Alt plus F4 will close the Excel. And Control plus page down and page up, these are used, for example, you want to move to the next sheet. See, we have two sheets. You want to move to the next sheet. Control plus page down. It will move you to the second sheet. Control plus page up, back to the previous sheet. So it was all about these most useful, most used Excel shortcut keys that I have showed you. I hope you learned something from this video and you learn all these shortcuts. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, like the video and comment down. Thanks for watching.